Sai Ram children, a very happy new year to you all. As you know, you will be having your online FA4 examination. So today we will be doing revision. Your topic is multiplication, division. So all second standard children, get ready with your notebook. Write today's date 4 1 2021 2021. Okay, we will be doing revision for your formative assessment, that is FA4. Multiple choice questions for your exam. It will be given like this. Choose the correct answer and click on it. But today I will be reading the questions for you. You look here, get ready with your notebook and you write the correct answer in your notebook. Okay? So you can finish with me. Ready? Now the first question. What you will get on multiplying 4 by 6? 4 6 are, see the options are there like A, B, C. 3 options are given. 10, 24, 30. So the correct answer is, yes, you write in your notebook. 4 6 are, the correct answer is 24. Question 2. 6 times 3 equal to, yes, 6 3s are, say the tables. You have to learn the tables. 18. Finished? All have done? Only write the correct answer. Question 3. 23 divided by 23 equal to question mark. 0, 1, 23. Yes, the correct answer is 1. Question 4. When 27 is divided by 9, the quotient is dash. So divide 27 by 9. The quotient is, that means the correct answer is 7, 4, 3. 3 options are there. So the correct answer is 3. Done? All are finished? Now question 5. 121 multiplied by 3 equal to what? Question mark. 15, 363, 124. Now do the multiplication. Yes, 121. Okay. Then multiplication sign and 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and again 3 1s are 3. So the correct answer is 363. Question 6. 4 multiplied, then question mark equal to, again question mark, multiplication sign, 4 equal to 32. Now say the tables of 4. So when you are multiplying 4 with which number? So that you are getting 32. 4 8s are 32 and again 8 4s are is also 32. So the correct answer is 8. Understood? Finished till here, children? Now question 7. After dividing 8 by 3, the remainder is dash. Now, how you do the division? The question is, you have to find out the remainder. So, do the rough work. Write 8, okay? And you make the box like this, no? And then divide by 3. Say the tables of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So, which number we will take? 3 twos are 6. And here, give the minus sign. Now, subtract 8 minus 6. 2. So, the remainder is, see the options, 2, 24, 12. So, the correct answer is 2. Question 8. 10 multiplication sign is there and question mark is there. Equal to 5 tens are 50. So, 30, 5 and 1. The options are given. So, 10 5s are 50 equal to 5 tens are 50. Clear, children? Read the question properly. Then do it. All are finished. Done question 8. Now question 9. When 40 is divided by 8, the dividend is 5, 40 and 4. The options are 5, 40 and 4. So the dividend is 40. Question 10. If dividend equal to 18, divisor equal to 2, then quotient equal to, question mark is there. So divide 18 by 2. Say the tables of 2 and choose the correct answer. 20, 6 and 9. Okay. So 2 9s are 18. So the quotient is 9. Okay. Done till here? Question 11. Dash times 2 equal to 16. A, B, C. Options are given. 2, 9, 8. So the correct answer is 8 times 2 equal to 16. Question 12. 60. Then multiplication sign and 10. So 60 tens are equal to question mark. Choose the correct answer. 60 is there, 600, 610. So the correct answer is 600. Finished? Now question 13. If dividend equal to 21, divisor equal to 3, then quotient equal to, there is a question mark. Okay, options are there. A, B, C, that is 9, 7 and 6. Now divide 21 by 3. Say the tables of 3. So 3 7s are 21. So the correct answer is 7. Okay. Now question 14. When 28 is divided by 4, the divisor is dash. So it is asking divisor. Okay. So the options are 7, 28 and 4. So the correct answer is 4. The divisor is 4. Okay. Question 15. Ria sells 15 pizzas in a day. How many pizzas does she sell in 5 days? Options are given. A is 32, B is 75, C is 20. So to get the correct answer, what you have to do? Division, multiplication, what? You have to multiply. Yes? So 15, then 15 multiply by 5. Okay? Do it. And the correct answer is 75. Question 16. There were 50 sandwiches at a birthday party. 10 children shared them equally. How many did each child get? You have to find out how many did each child get. That is, you have to divide. Now divide 50 by 10. So the correct answer is 5. 10 fives are 50. Okay. Finished? Now part 2. Click the correct option for fill in the blanks. Question 17. The number to be divided is called the dash, divisor, product, dividend. So what it is called? The number to be divided is called dividend. Yes? Question 18. The answer we get after multiplication is called addition, product, subtraction. What it is called? Product. Are you writing, children, in your notebook the correct answers? Yes? Now, question 19. The product of any number and dash is the number itself. Options are 1, 0, number itself. So the correct answer is 1. Question 20. The number left over after dividing the two numbers is called, options are remainder, divisor, dividend. So the correct answer is remainder. Finish writing. Only write the correct answer. Question 21. After distributing 20 balloons among 5 students, each will get dash balloons. Each will get. So you have to do division. Divide 20 by 5. See the tables of 5. And the correct answer is, 3 options are there. 5 is there, 15 is there, 4 is there. So 5 fours are 20. Question 22. A triangle has 3 sides. 5 triangles will have dash sides. Options are 15, then 8 and 2. So, what you have to do? Multiply. So 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. The correct answer is 15. Done? Now part 3. Click the correct option T or F for true or false. Now question 23. 32 divided by 4 equal to 9. Now say the tables of 4. So you are getting 9. 4 9s are 32. No, then it is false. Question 24. 0 divided by any number is 0. True or false? It is true. Question 25. 36 into 2 equal to 98. Now you do the multiplication. See what answer you are getting. It is true or false? It is false. Done till question 25. Question 26. We can divide any number ending in 0 by 10. True or false? We can divide any number ending in 0 by 10. Yes, it is true. Question 27. 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. See the tables of 6. So 6 7s are 42. Means 6 into 7 equal to 42. True or false? It is true. Done? Question 28. 70 into 5 equal to 450. True or false? Now you do the multiplication. True or false? It is false. When you multiply 17 to 5, you are getting 350. So it is false. You do the rough work and then write the correct answer. Okay. Question 29. 13 into 10 equal to 130. Yes, correct. Question 30. 25 into 2 equal to 100. Again do the rough work. True or false? It is false. 25 twos are, it is the correct answer is 50. Here it is written 100. So the answer is false. Okay children? All have done? It was easy. You can do it yourself. Okay, very good. Finished? Thank you children. Bye.